Good evening, friends. This is Sabri here. Today I got to tell you some technical concepts, technical analysis concepts, how to use Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extensions. What is Fibonacci? There is a set of numerical sequence that was used in ancient India, but by 20th century, this person, Mr. Leonardo Fibonacci, famous Italian mathematician, he used this Fibonacci numbers, Fibonacci sequence. So later, with his name, this numerical sequence are used everywhere. This is mostly mathematical. Leonardo Fibonacci was a mathematician, so he used it, and later every part and everywhere this got used. This was already present. He didn't invent it. It was already present. He leveraged the significance of this numerical sequence and utilized it everywhere. What is Fibonacci sequence? So when we take whole numbers like 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, 8 plus 13 is 21, so on and so forth. So if we connect all these numbers, we'll get a sequence like this. And if we create many of these Fibonacci spirals, it will look like this. And you see here, even in flowers with this sequence, even in nature, everywhere, if you take a flower, if you take a tree, all the number of petals in the flowers, number of leaves in the trees, all are in Fibonacci numbers. Even in the first slide, I mentioned the proportion of our teeth, the distance between each and every teeth is in Fibonacci sequential number. So if we divide one sequence, for example, if we divide 21 divided by 13, we get 1.618. If we divide 21 by 8, we'll get another ratio. So that's what we see in this picture. The distance between our teeth is in Fibonacci ratio. So when this Fibonacci is present everywhere, even the nature, in our physical body, it's present everywhere, then people found, why don't we use this Fibonacci in trading? That's how people started to use Fibonacci in trading. In trading, we use Fibonacci. There are many usage of Fibonacci, but two predominant usage of Fibonacci is Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. What is Fibonacci retracement? When there is a bullish move for this much extent, for example, here we have the bullish move to this extent, we have a bearish move to this proportionately to this, and similarly if we have a bearish move, we have a bullish move proportionate to that. That is Fibonacci retracement. I'll explain you Fibonacci extension while having a practical explanation. For every positive response, there should be a appropriate negative response, isn't it? You agree, right? And for this much of negative response, there will be a proportionate positive response. That is the crux of Fibonacci. There are some rules for Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension. First, we'll start with Fibonacci retracement, then I'll explain you about Fibonacci extension. Plot using Fibonacci retracement tool from wick to wick in the impulse wave. The golden ratios for Fibonacci retracement is three numbers: 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618. Let us go in and I'll explain one by one. For example, let me take, we can plot this in any script. Let me take crude oil. So this is monthly chart. Okay, for Fibonacci retracement, I use this tool. We have two tools. One is for Fibonacci retracement, this tool, and for Fibonacci extension, this tool. So let me plot Fibonacci retracement. So what is our rule says? Plot using Fibonacci retracement tool from wick to wick in the impulse wave. Impulse wave, what is impulse wave? If you have any question regarding impulse wave and corrective wave, just see my previous videos regarding that. So here the impulse wave is bearish trend. So anything trading downwards are impulse wave, anything that is bearish are impulse wave in this, and anything trading upwards are corrective waves. So for in this script, plot using Fibonacci retracement tool from wick to wick in the impulse wave. So impulse wave, for example, let us take this is impulse wave. So I selected Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll plot it from wick to wick, starting here to here. Okay, you see here, this is the starting level, and this is the ending level. All right. Now, what are our golden numbers for Fibonacci retracement? 382, 5 and 0.618. So I'll just enable only those, and I'll bring the labels to right side. Okay, so see, crude oil took a retracement till 0.618. Great, right? And what is the other rule? To identify the appropriate golden ratio for a script, we need to do the Fibonacci character analysis for at least 100 swings. For crude oil, the appropriate Fibonacci retracement level is 0.618. But this may not be applicable for all the scripts. We need to do this retracement for maybe for 100 swings, so that we can identify whether the retracement falls under 0.382 or 0.5 or 0.618. And let us plot for few more swings. I took the highest swing and highest point and lowest point and plotted, and we got retracement level up till 618. Now here we have the highest point and lowest point, and see, the swing reached almost near to 0.618. And similarly, with that expectation, I plot from highest point to lowest point. And expect retracement. Now the retracement may be up till $53. Crude can retrace till up till $53. Let us take some other script. Apple. So here let us see here the impulse wave is bullish. So I plot in the bullish swing. So here is the low and here is the high. See, it reached till 618. Similarly, this is the low and this is the high. See, again reached 618. Right? Amazing, is it? When we plot, there are minor swings. So how can we qualify a specific swing as a swing? For example, so let us pick here. So here this one is there. Okay. We are having a swing like this. Can we qualify it as a swing? or should I directly draw a line from here to here? So we'll be getting confusion while drawing trend lines, right? When we do trend analysis, we get that question. So that can be answered with this Fibonacci retracement tool. Start from here and check the Fibonacci retracement level. If the wick touches 382, yes, we can qualify it as a swing. But for example, let us take one more example. So this is qualified as a swing. But if can I plot it like this? Can I do trend lines like this? Will this be qualified as a swing? So again we'll use Fibonacci retracement tool and see whether this touches 382. This is not touching 382, so it's not qualified as a swing. That's what I explained in the third rule. To accept and qualify a swing, it should trace to the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.382. Now hope you understand how to use the tool Fibonacci retracement and how to plot and identify the Fibonacci retracement level. So now the next step is Fibonacci extension, how to use the tool. So for example, now here we use the Fibonacci retracement level. This is the low and this is the high. Now the golden, as per golden ratio, these three levels are the golden ratio for Fibonacci retracement. Yes, our price touch 6.618, $215. Yes. Now from here, where the price will go, to what level the price will go. For that we use a tool called Fibonacci extension. Alright. So for Fibonacci extension to be plotted in the corrective wave. Here this is the impulse wave. This is the impulse wave and this is corrective wave. Alright. Let me explain you with this text box. Impulse wave. This is corrective wave. Alright. Now again, as per the rule, if it is a bullish trend, drawing pattern will be low, high, higher low. Okay. This is bullish trend, right? This trend is bullish. Now I take this tool, Fibonacci extension, low, high, higher low. And similar to Fibonacci retracement, there is golden ratio for Fibonacci extension as well. What is that? 0.618, 1 and 1.618. Okay. Now it will touch first level of resistance will be 0.618. Apple will reach till 323. Next it will go to 393 and finally it reached 505. After reaching $505, it will take a correction. A strong correction will happen after that. That's what I mentioned here. I explained you with the bullish trend. Now similarly you can do it for bearish trend as well. Golden ratio for Fibonacci extension are 0.618, sorry, not 682, 0.618, 1, 1.618. Completing 1.618, there will be correction or trend reversal. Alright, so let us plot Fibonacci extension. Let us plot it here and see. Low, high, higher low. Okay, so Apple will reach till, for this swing, Apple will reach till 372 and it will take a correction. I don't know how much will be the correction, we don't know, but these are some support levels using support and resistance level using Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracements. Hope you are clear. Just keep trying for a couple of scripts. Just try plotting Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension for many scripts. And while plotting, make sure you plot for 100 swings so you'll understand what is the specific golden ratio. For retracement, we have 3 golden ratios, and for extension we have 3 golden ratio. For crude oil, the Fibonacci retracement golden ratio is 0.618. How I come to know? I plotted for 100 swings, and the majority swing, the retracement happened at 0.618 level. So I found that 0.618 is the retracement level for crude oil. Similarly, you take your own favorite script and plot for a couple of some 100 swings and identify the appropriate golden ratio for that script. Alright friends, hope Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extension is understandable for you people. If you have any questions, type it in the comment section and hit a thumbs button. Share these videos with your friends. That's a little motivation I get for creating or publishing these videos. Alright friends, I'll come up with some new videos next week. Thank you. Bye bye.